You're on the upside. Unemployment hasn't risen. Johannes Connor and the Buramacher in prison. And Long Walk to Freedom, they've released the movie. Spoiler alert, in the end Madiba goes free. But on the downside, we're lucky Queenie China isn't dead. It's enough to make you put a Nando's bag over your head. It's like the Wild West in SA. I need to say, it's not even safe for rappers to go to Wild Bean Cafe. Things like that are enough to make you stressed, though. Angrier than the EFF manifesto. It puts me in a bad mood. I won't be silent like Zuma when Zilla's getting booed. The way we fail to uphold the law in this nation. Another police commissioner, another allegation. Round and round we go, the same old story. If you don't know how it ends, tell him, Tori.
So we're talking about Pierre and whether she'll be suspended for a crime. 'Cause when you're SA police commissioner, it's only a matter of time. So we're talking about Pierre and whether she is going to be ending up in a jail cell next to Salami.
News that moves. ENCA.com.